Good morning students, I am Chitti Babu, Vikas Global Institutions, Jangareddy. I will give an information about the Vikas College. It is the one and only IIT NEET MCET Academy Permitted College in total Jangareddy. Total Jangareddy lo IIT NEET and MCET coaching permission unna oka college, Vikas Global Institutions, Jangareddy. Okay, so now I will start about the chemistry class. So last class I will discuss about the real gases. Last class I will discuss about the real gases and behavior of the real gases and how to deviate the real gas from ideal gas behavior and compressibility factor. So what is the meaning of the real gases? What is the meaning of real gas? The real gas, the gas which obey the gas laws or ideal gas. Okay, so the gases which obey the gas laws under the conditions of temperature and pressure is called real gases. So why deviate the real gas from ideal gas behavior? But actually ideal gas is the gases which obey the gas laws is called ideal gas. But whereas the real gas do not obey the gas laws, that is called real gas. But why deviate the real gas from ideal gas? Based on the two assumptions in the KMT, kinetic molecular theory of gases are postulates. Postulates are two main points only. What are the 2 points? There is no force of attraction between the gaseous molecules and the KMT postulate. But whereas the real gas, the force of attraction is available. Here the attraction is between the two molecules. But whereas in the KMT postulate, there is no force of attraction. There is no force of attraction between the gaseous molecule. And second assumption, in the KMT, the volume of the gas molecule is negligible when compared to the total volume of the container. Okay, what is the point? The total volume of the gas molecule is equal to the total volume of the container. But based on these two assumptions, does not obey the real gases. So the real gases deviate the ideal gas behavior. And next one, I will give the one graph. P versus V. It is the ideal gas, it is the real gas. The temperature, high pressure, the measured volume is more than that of the calculated volume. At low pressure, the two measured and calculated volumes are very close to each other or approach to each other. That is information about the real gases at constant temperature, P versus volume. What is the real behavior of the real gases? We take some real gases, draw the graph between PV versus P at constant temperature. We draw the graph between PV versus P. It gives a straight line. It is the ideal gas. Straight line for all ideal gases. We take some real gases. For example, CO, CH4, hydrogen and helium. Okay, here the carbon monoxide and CH with the real gas, these two are positive deviation. And whereas the hydrogen and helium, the pressure increases, the value of PV also increases about the hydrogen and helium. Okay, next one we was discussed about the compressibility factor. So what is the meaning of the compressibility factor? It is represented by the Z. That is Z is equal to Vm by molar volume of the gas by molar volume of the perfect gas. That is the compressibility factor. Last class lo cheppukunnam compressibility factor. At real gases, Z is equal to 1 at all pressures. At low pressure, Z less than 1. Low pressure. At high pressure, Z greater than 1. Hydrogen gas for high pressure, Z is greater than 1. At low pressure, almost all gases acts as a ideal gas behavior. That is the last class. That is the real gases, deviation of the real gases, behavior of the real gases and compressibility factor Z. That is the molar volume of the gas, it is the ratio of the molar volume of the gas by molar volume of the perfect gas. That is the compressibility factor. Now Now, boil temperature. What is the boil temperature? What is the boil temperature? What is the boil temperature? The temperature at which the real gas or gases or real gases, anyone, real gases obey gas laws or ideal gases, obey gas laws under the conditions of the pressure is called boil temperature or boil point. It represented by the TB, T small p under square TB. Okay, so what is the meaning of the boil temperature? The temperature at which the real gas obey the ideal gas laws under the conditions of the pressure is called boil temperature. Clear nana? So what is the meaning of the boil temperature? The temperature at which the real gases obey the real gas or gas laws. Okay, that is called boil temperature. Real gases అనేవి ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ లాగా యాక్ట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎ టెంపరేచర్ దగ్గర దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం బాయిల్ టెంపరేచర్ అంటున్నాం. ఓకే, ద టెంపరేచర్ ఎట్ విచ్ ద రియల్ గ్యాస్ obey the ideal gas behavior under the conditions of the uncontrollable conditions of the pressure is called boil temperature. It is also called boil point and also called boil point. It is represented by the TB. That is the TB is equal to A by BR. A by BR. This is the boil temperature. Here A and B are boil temperature constants. A and B are boil temperature constant. That is the boil point. That is the A by BR. Okay, the boil temperature of the A and BR depends on nature of the gas. Depends on nature of the gas. Okay now, and here the two conditions. Case 1, above boil temperature, the compressibility factor Z greater than 1. Compressibility factor Z greater than 1. అర్థమవుతుందనా? ఏమంటున్నాను? above boil temperature the gas's compressibility factor is Z greater than 1. In case, say case 2, below boil temperature, below boil temperature the compressibility factor Z less than 1. It increase the pressure. Increase the pressure, the Z value is minimum. Continuous increase the pressure, continuous increase of compressibility factor. Okay, clear? Once again I will repeat it. The boil temperature, above the boil temperature, the compressibility factor means above the boil temperature, the graph gives the positive deviation. Okay, and the value is Z greater than 1 means compressibility factor ఏమవుతుంది 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Above the boil temperature gives positive deviation and the compressibility factor Z greater than 1. And case 2, below the boil temperature, first show Z less than 1. The pressure increases, the value reaches to minimum, and continuous increasing of the pressure, compressibility factor, continuous increasing of the pressure, continuous increase of the Z. Continuous increase of the Z. Clear? ఏమంటున్నాను? above boil temperature చేస్తే above the boil temperature it shows the positive deviation means Z greater than 1, and below the boil temperature it shows the Z less than 1. It increases the pressure, the value Z reaches to minimum, And continuous increasing of the pressure, the compressibility factor continuously increases. This is the boil temperature. So what is the meaning of boil temperature? The temperature at which the real gas obey the gas laws or ideal gas behavior is called boil temperature. It is also called boil point. Clear? The temperature at which the real gases obey the ideal gas behavior under the considerable conditions of pressure is called boil temperature or boil point, represented by the TB. TB is equal to A by BR. Here A or B are constants and A or B are depends on the nature of the gas. In the two cases, case 1 above boil temperature, case 2 below boil temperature. Above boil temperature, what is that? Above the boil temperature, Z greater than 1. It shows the positive deviation. And below the boil temperature, Z less than 1. Increase the pressure, it reaches the minimum value, and continuous increasing of the pressure, it continues increase of the compressibility factor. Clear? And next one, van der Waals equation state. 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 In 1873, J. van der Waals proposed in equation based on between the intermolecular forces of the gaseous molecules. Intermolecular forces. What is the meaning of the intermolecular forces? The forces of attraction and repulsions between the gaseous molecules is called intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces of the molecules. Okay, so what is the meaning of? In 1873, J. van der Waals proposed by equation state based on intermolecular forces of the molecules. He is explained gases obey or why deviate. He is explained why deviation of gas laws, deviation of gas from perfect gas. So ఏం చెప్పాడు వాన్ డర్ వాల్స్, ఎందుకు గ్యాసెస్ అనేవి పర్ఫెక్ట్ గ్యాస్ నుంచి డీవియేట్ అవుతున్నాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ బై ది వాన్ డర్ వాల్స్. In 1873, J. van der Waals proposed an equation state based on the intermolecular forces of the molecules. He is explained the why deviation of the gases from perfect gas or ideal gas behavior. Why deviate the gases from ideal gas behavior or perfect gas behavior? Clear, Nana? Okay. We know the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. మనందరికీ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ తెలుసు. PV is equal to nRT. This is the ideal gas equation. According to van der Waals, this is the ideal gas equation. According to van der Waals, the real gas equation, here the two corrections are there. One is the volume correction and second one pressure connections. According to van der Waals, in the ideal gas equation, but actually ideal gas equation obey the all gas laws, but the real gas does not obey the gas laws. From according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. According to van der Waals, he explained the based on the intermolecular forces of the molecules. Okay, and why deviate? He is explained why deviate the gases from perfect gas. He take the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Based on the corrections. Here the corrections are occur. What are the two corrections? One is the pressure correction and volume correction. First one, I will discuss about the volume correction. volume correction. So what is the volume correction in the van der Waals equation state, or what is the volume correction in the ideal gas equation? So according to chemical postulates, the volume of the gaseous molecule is negligible when compared to the total volume of the container. But according to real gas, here the force of total volume is equal to the, and means the gaseous molecules freely move in the volume container. ఎక్కడైతే ఒక వాల్యూమ్ తీసుకుంటున్నామో అందులో ఉన్న గ్యాసెస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్ని ఫ్రీగా మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇన్ ద రియల్ గ్యాసెస్, the gaseous molecules in the volume container free moves is not equal to the volume of the container. Clear, Nana? So based on that point, what is that point? The gaseous molecules in the volume container containing volume container, so the gaseous molecules does not move freely in the volume container and does not equal to the total volume of the container. So finally that point clearly given one point, the total volume is not equal to the volume of the container in the real gases. Based on that point, in the perfect gas, what is the perfect gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. Perfect gas equation, here the volume changes from V to V minus NV. Clear? The total volume, the volume of the gas molecule is equal to the volume of the container, but the gaseous molecules are free to move does not equal to the volume of the container. Here occur one correction in the volume in the perfect gas equation. So what is the perfect gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. He made the one correction. Who is that? The van der Waals. He made the one correction in the perfect gas equation. There is a volume change, the changing of the volume, that is V to V minus NV. Okay, here the B is the proportionality constant. B is the proportionality constant between reduction in the volume and amount of the molecule present in the container. Okay, what is that B? B is the proportionality constant. It is a between reduction in the volume and amount of gas molecules present in the container. That is a B. We change the perfect gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. So what is the volume correction? P is equal to nRT by V. So P is equal to nRT by V minus NV. This is the volume correction in the van der Waals equation. And next one, volume correction in van der Waals equation. And next one, pressure correction. Pressure correction. What is the pressure correction in the van der Waals equation? We know the equation PV is equal to nRT. Here the volume correction, that is V equal to V minus NV. The gas exerts the effective attractions between the gaseous molecules. It reduces the pressure. Clear? Once again, so what is the pressure correction in the van der Waals equation? It exerts the exerts of the gaseous molecules, effective attractions between the gaseous molecule. It reduces the pressure. So gaseous molecules మధ్య ఎఫెక్టివ్గా ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ కనుక జరిగితే అవి ఏం చేస్తాయి? ఇట్ రెడ్యూస్ ద ప్రెషర్. క్లియర్? సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రెషర్ కనెక్షన్ ఇన్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ స్టేట్ in the ideal gas equation. So the gas exerts the effective interactions between the gaseous molecules. ఎప్పుడైతే గ్యాస్ ఎగ్జర్ట్ చేసామో ద గ్యాసెస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ మధ్య ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ ఏమవుతాయి? ఎఫెక్టివ్గా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ద గ్యాస్ ఎగ్జర్ట్స్ ద ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్యాసెస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్. ఇట్ రెడ్యూస్ ద ప్రెషర్. So the gaseous molecules in the volume container is proportional to pressure correction, is directly proportional to concentration of molecules in container. Volume container. Okay, so P is directly proportional to N by V whole square. This is the volume correction, sorry, pressure connection. Here the gas exerted by the gases, pressure exerted by the gas molecules is directly proportional to concentration of the molecules in the container. So P N by V whole square. Remove the proportionality, add the concentration, add the constant. So pressure correction is AN by V whole square. Okay, sorry, AN square by V square. So AN by V whole square. AN square V square. This is the pressure correction in the ideal gas equation. Based on these two, number 1, this is the number 1 and this is the number 2. Substitute in the ideal gas equation. We know the ideal gas equation, that is the PV is equal to nRT. We know the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Substitute the values. We write the P is equal to nRT by V. Substitute the values. P is the P plus, and P changes to P plus AN square by V square into nRT by V minus NV. Okay, finally we write the P plus AN square by V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. This is the equation state, van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation state. Here A and B are van der Waals parameters. Van der Waals parameters or van der Waals constants. Here A and B are depends on the nature of gas and independent of temperature. Independent of temperature. This is the most important point in the van der Waals equation. Here the A and B are van der Waals parameters. It depends upon the AB van der Waals constant depends upon the nature of the gas and independent of the temperature. This is the van der Waals equation. Here once again I will repeat the pressure correction. The gas exerted by the gas exerts. Okay, the gas exerts the effective interactions between the gaseous molecules. It reduces the pressure. So the pressure correction is directly proportional to concentration of the molecules in the container. The P correction is directly proportional to N by V whole square. The P, remove the proportionality, add the constant, that is A into N by V whole square. That is the P, AN square by V square. We know the equation PV is equal to nRT. Substitute the values. We get the van der Waals equation state, that is the P plus AN square by V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. Here A and B are van der Waals constants or van der Waals parameters. These two are depends upon the nature of the gas and independent of the temperature. Okay, clear? Finally, once again I will repeat it. What is the van der Waals equation state? In 1873, J. van der Waals proposed by an equation state based on the intermolecular forces of molecules. Okay, and he is explained why deviation of the gas from perfect gas. Why deviation of the gases from perfect gas law. Okay, he take the ideal gas equation, that the PV is equal to nRT, but according to assumptions of the KMT, two postulates are there. There is no force of attraction between the gaseous molecules, and second one, total volume is negligible when compared to the total volume of the container. Based on these 2 points, he discussed the van der Waals equation. He collect the van der Waals equation. Okay, based on that points, he take the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. In these 2 assumptions, what are the 2 assumptions in the KMT postulates? Here the force of attraction between the gaseous molecules and the volume is equal to volume of the container. Based these 2 points, the 2 corrections in the ideal gas equation, that is, one is the volume correction and second one is the pressure correction. The first one, volume correction. What is the volume corrections? The gaseous molecules freely move డస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ది వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కంటైనర్. ఏదైతే ఒక వాల్యూమ్ కంటైనర్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం, అందులో గ్యాసెస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఉంటే ఆ గ్యాసెస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అని ఫ్రీగా మూవ్ అవ్వవు. ఇప్పుడు డస్ నాట్ మూవ్ ఈజ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కంటైనర్. ఓకే, క్లియర్? వన్స్ అగైన్ I will repeat that point. The gaseous molecules actually easily free to move, but according to van der Waals equation, according to van der Waals, the volume of the gaseous molecules in the container free to move does not equal to the total volume of the container. So based on that point, according to perfect gas, the volume is made changing from V to V minus NB. Here B is the proportionality constant. Okay, proportionality constant between the reduction in the volume and the amount of the gas molecules present in the container. Okay, ఆ B ఏం చెప్తుంది? ఎవరికి రిలేషన్ చెప్తుంది? రిడక్షన్ ఇన్ ద వాల్యూమ్ అండ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్యాస్ మాలిక్యూల్, అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఇన్ ద కంటైనర్. Okay, that is the B. We write the PV is equal to nRT, P is equal to nRT by V, substitute the value P is equal to nRT by V minus NB. Okay, and next one, pressure correction. What is the pressure correction in the van der Waals equation? Here the force of attraction between the gaseous molecules, the gas exits, the gaseous molecules affect to interactions between the gaseous molecules. It reduces the pressure, so pressure is directly proportional to the concentration of the molecules in the container. So that is the P is directly proportional to N by V whole square. Remove the proportionality, add the constant, that is equal to A into N by V whole square. Based on these 2 points, equation 1 and 2, PV is equal to nRT, P is nRT by V, substitute the P by P, substitute on P plus N square by V square. Means we are changing from P to P plus An square by V square. P changing from the van der Waals made the pressure correction, that is P changing to P to P plus N square by V square. Substitute the value P plus N square by V square is nRT by V minus NB. And ఇటువైపు తీసుకున్న క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయండి. P plus N square by V square is equal to V minus NB is equal to nRT. This is called van der Waals equation state. Here A and B are van der Waals constants or van der Waals parameters. Okay, and the nature of the, and here A and B are van der Waals parameters. These two are depends upon the nature of the gas and independent of the temperature. Okay, and next one, what is the significance of the van der Waals parameters? Van der Waals constant significance. Significance of A and B. What are the A and B? Van der Waals parameters, van der Waals constants. Here A, first one A, it measure చేస్తుంది interactions of the force of attractions or interactions of gaseous molecules. It measure magnitude of A, it measure the magnitude of force of attraction between the gaseous molecules. A is higher ఏమవుతున్నప్పుడు more effective interactions. A is higher, more interactions are available in the gaseous molecules. Okay, and next one B. ఏం చెప్తుంది B? Effective interactions of the molecules in the A, it means A measure the magnitude of the interactions of the gaseous molecule. Here B, effective size on molecule. B is higher, large size of the molecule. These are two significances of the van der Waals parameters or van der Waals constant. So what are the two significance? Here A measure the, that is the what is the one A is the one of the van der Waals parameter. It measure the magnitude of the force of attraction between the gaseous molecules or interactions between the gaseous molecules. Force of attraction, intermolecular forces, any one, it is correct. So ఏం చెప్తుంది A it measures the magnitude of the interactions of the or force of attraction between the gaseous molecules. A is higher, effective interactions between the gaseous molecules. And next one, B, it calculates the effective size on the molecule, and A is the magnitude of the force of attraction of the molecules, and B is the effective size on the molecule, and B is the higher larger size of the molecule. Clear? Okay, Nana? So this is today class. Tomorrow I will continue. So last 1 minute, we take the 1 minute తీసుకుంటాను, 1 minute తీసుకుంటాను. Today class is boil temperature, and next one van der Waals equation state and significance of the van der Waals parameters. So what is the boil temperature? The temperature at which ఎప్పుడైనా boil temperature real gas obey the ideal gas behavior under considerable conditions of the pressure is called boil temperature. It is denoted by the TB, that is A by BR. Okay. Here the boil temperature depends upon the nature of the gas. Boil temperature, nature of the gas, and above boil temperature there is a Z greater than 1, below boil temperature there is a Z less than 1. It increases the pressure, it also continues increasing of the Z value. Okay, that is the boil temperature. Next one, van der Waals equation. What is the van der Waals equation? P plus An square by V square into V minus Nb equal to nRT. This is the van der Waals equation. Here A and B are van der Waals parameters or van der Waals correction. This is the volume correction, this is the pressure correction in the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. According to van der Waals, the two corrections in the ideal gas equation, because why? In the KMT process, the two corrections, there is no force of attraction between the gaseous molecules in the ideal gas equation, and volume is negligible when it compared to the total volume of the container. But whereas in the according to van der Waals, the two corrections, one is the volume correction, pressure corrections. So there is a volume correction V minus Nb and pressure correction P plus An square by V square. Substitute the values, we get the van der Waals equation. Here A and B are van der Waals parameters. Depends upon the nature of the gas, and they may depend on the nature of the gas, may depend on the nature of the gas. Okay, nature of the gas, and also depends upon the volume. That is the A and B are van der Waals parameters. Okay, Nana. And next one, significance of the van der Waals parameters. That is the A is measure the magnitude of the interactions of the or force of attraction between the gaseous molecule. A is higher effective interactions, and B is the effective size of the molecule, and B is the higher larger size of the molecule. Okay, Nana. Thank you. Tomorrow I will continue. Thank you, students.